Erasmus Plus Program, KA 210 SCH Project, Possibilities and Challenges of Modern Musical Education for Children in Primary School. Music is a significant part of most people's personal lives outside of the classroom, and too often it gets turned off once the child enters a classroom. This is counterintuitive to what we already know from personal experience. Music greatly affects and enhances our lives. So, why turn it off when the students go to school? As educators, we should utilize the power of music to enhance children's learning. The results of one research project indicate that the integration of music in the everyday elementary school classroom is important to the current elementary school teachers. It shows that music is used fairly extensively for 4 distinct purposes: to alter mood, to teach core subjects, to promote creativity and personal expression, as well as for classroom management and cohesiveness. Within these 4 major themes, music makes the learning process more interesting and more fun. It can help children to learn because it can improve engagement, create a desired atmosphere, focus concentration, improve memory, keep children on task, energize slow activities, increase attention, help build a classroom community or a particular mood, trigger imagination, help establish routine, and introduce an element of fun. Here are some basic suggestions to prompt musical implementation thoughts, and each of these ideas can easily be further explored with a little time spent on the internet. How music integrates different subjects. Music is a universal language that has the unique ability to transcend cultural boundaries and connect people from diverse backgrounds. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, music plays a significant role in integrating various subjects, bridging the gaps between art, science, mathematics, history, and even language. This presentation focuses on how music serves as a powerful tool to integrate different subjects, enhancing cognitive development, promoting creativity, and fostering interdisciplinary learning. 1. Music and mathematics integration. Music and mathematics share an intricate relationship. The study of music theory involves elements of mathematics, such as rhythm, beats, time signatures, and intervals. Additionally, understanding musical scales and chords involves mathematical patterns. Music also introduces students to fractions and ratios when dealing with different note values, providing a practical application of mathematical concepts. By integrating mathematics and music, educators can make abstract mathematical concepts more accessible and engaging for students. 2. Music and language integration. Language and music are both expressive forms of communication. Studies have shown that exposure to music from an early age can enhance language development in children. Rhythmic patterns and melodies in songs assist in improving language acquisition and pronunciation skills. Music also introduces new vocabulary and cultural nuances, expanding students' understanding of language beyond textbooks. Integrating music and language learning creates an immersive and enjoyable learning environment, making the learning process more effective. 3. Music and history integration. Music has a unique ability to preserve historical narratives and cultural traditions. Traditional folk songs, anthems, and ballads often convey stories of significant historical events and societal values. By analyzing music from different periods and cultures, students can gain insights into the customs, traditions, and political climates of various eras. Incorporating music into history lessons provides a multidimensional approach to understanding the past, fostering empathy and a deeper connection with historical events. 4. Music and science integration. The study of music also intersects with various scientific principles. Acoustics, for example, explores the properties of sound waves and how they interact with different materials. Understanding musical instruments involves principles of physics, such as resonance, harmonics, and the mechanics of sound production. Moreover, neuroscience research suggests that music stimulates various regions of the brain, affecting emotions, memory, and cognitive functions. Integrating music and science can promote a holistic understanding of scientific concepts and encourage students to explore the artistic aspects of science. 5. Music and physical education integration. Music has been an integral part of physical education and exercise routines for centuries. The rhythm and tempo of music can influence the pace and intensity of physical activities, making workouts more enjoyable and motivating. Dance, which often accompanies music, enhances coordination, flexibility, and balance. Integrating music and physical education fosters a positive association with exercise, promoting a healthy lifestyle and overall well-being. 6. Music and social sciences integration. Music often reflects the social, cultural, and political contexts of a society. Analyzing songs and musical trends can offer insights into societal values, attitudes, and historical movements. Music has been used as a tool for protest, social change, and expressing collective identity. Integrating music and social sciences allows students to explore cultural diversity, understand global perspectives, and engage in critical discussions about contemporary issues. Overall, music serves as a powerful medium to integrate different subjects, providing a multidisciplinary approach to learning. By incorporating music into various educational domains, educators can enhance students' cognitive abilities, foster creativity, and create a more engaging and comprehensive learning experience. Music's ability to transcend cultural barriers and communicate emotions makes it a valuable tool for promoting cross-cultural understanding and appreciation for diversity. As education continues to evolve, the integration of music with other subjects holds great promise for nurturing well-rounded, empathetic, and culturally aware individuals. Music in the Maths Classroom. On this webpage, https://enrich.maths.org/public/topic.php?group_id=48. The University of Cambridge offers some interesting mathematical resources connected to music, as we may find related items under cross-curricular contexts. Music to my ears, age 7 to 11. Can you predict when you'll be clapping and when you'll be clicking if you start this rhythm? How about when a friend begins a new rhythm at the same time? Clapping times, age 5 to 7. If you count from 1 to 20 and clap more loudly on the numbers in the 2 times table, as well as saying those numbers loudly, which numbers will be loud? Dancing with Maths, age 7 to 16. An article for students and teachers on symmetry and square dancing. What do the symmetries of the square have to do with a dos-e-dos or a swing? Find out more? Pythagoras, age 14 to 16. Using an understanding that 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 were good ratios, start with the length and keep reducing it to 2/3 of itself. Each time that took the length under 1/2, they doubled it to get back within range. 6 notes, all nice ratios, age 14 to 16. The Pythagoreans noticed that nice simple ratios of string length made nice sounds together. Count the beat, age 5 to 11. This article, written by Nikki Goulder and Samantha Lodge, reveals how maths and marimbas can go hand in hand. Why not try out some of the musical maths activities in your own classroom? Euclid's algorithm and musical intervals, age 14 to 16. Use Euclid's algorithm to get a rational approximation to the number of major thirds in an octave. And more. Teaching methods that incorporate more than one of the senses have higher rates of success and permanence with students. From birth, you rely heavily on all of your senses to process information when learning. Engaging more than one sense when teaching allows more cognitive connections and associations to be made with a concept. It is for this reason that incorporating music with a math lesson can be a very successful way of teaching a math concept. We would like to familiarize you with some beneficial ideas of S.B. Estrella, who is a lyricist, songwriter, and member of the Nashville Songwriters Association International. How music connects with math. Learning to play a musical instrument relies on understanding fractions and ratios, as these concepts relate to beats, rhythm, and keeping time. Patterns are inherent in musical melodies. Learning patterns are important as a foundational lesson in music, as it is in mathematics from the preschool through high school levels. Here are some suggested ideas on how you can lead your students to music and math in an integrated way. Hokey Pokey with shapes, preschool to kindergarten. This activity helps young children learn different shapes, polygons, using the Hokey Pokey song. With simple felt cutouts or improvising with paper cutouts, your class will giggle their way to recognizing popular and not so popular shapes in no time. Counting finger plays and rhymes, preschool to kindergarten. With a number of songs, like The Ants Go Marching, There Were 10 in the Bed, and 1 Potato, 2 Potato, you can incorporate finger plays and hand gestures while singing along to teach math-related concepts. Popular math jingle, kindergarten. Teach your students the 10 tens are 100 song with these simple lyrics and audio clip. With the help of this little jingle, you can teach students to skip counting by tens. Skip counting and other math songs, kindergarten to grade 4. There are a number of skip counting songs like Count by Twos, Animal Groove, and Hip Hop Jive Count by Fives, as well as more advanced topics like learning multiplication tables with a song like Shake Up the Tables. Patterns in Music and Math, Kindergarten to Grade 4. Your students can learn how to solve mathematical and musical problems by identifying patterns in number and notation. Create a clapping symphony, Grade 3 to High School. In this activity, students will create a symphony of claps. No instrument required. Children will learn a lesson about note values and how fractions are applied in music. Math Dance, Grade 1 to High School. Based on the book, Math Dance by Carl Schaefer and Eric Stern, learn through a 10-minute TEDx talk how math dancing can help you incorporate movement into teaching math. Schaefer and Stern, in their popular performance, Two Guys Dancing About Math, revealed the connections between mathematics and dance.